Hi, it's Map Designer here, and I know that a number of you are still experiencing problems with accessing the site, so I thought I'd do a quick video to try to help with a couple of the most common causes. It's basically settings, like website settings, that are kind of trapped in your browser's memory, or maybe even in your computer or router's memory. So we're going to try to refresh the memories for those components, and hopefully that will resolve the problem. So let's crack on with it. Put my my seers on and move my head out of the way. So the first thing is I'm on the geegeez FAQ page here, so I'll just refresh this page, and if you scroll down to technical issues, you'll see references to clearing your browser's cache and flushing DNS. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go to the kind of 2 dots and 2 lines up in the address bar, and if I click on that, there's a cookie and site data option, and if I click on that, there's an option to manage on-device site data. And it says data from the site you're visiting a site. Basically these two here are the two that we want to delete, right? So just click the little bin icon like this, and then click done, and then it's going to tell you to reload the page. Now this is probably going to log me out. It has, so you can see I need to log in again now, but that's fine. I can access the pages very quickly, as you can see, as a result of clearing that data. So that's the first thing to do. It does involve logging back in again, which I'm going to do now, so just bear with me a second while I do that. Okay. So that's me logged back in, and as you can see, you probably could tell there that the site was running very quickly. So that's the first thing to do, is actually to click these dots and go to cookies and site data, manage on-device site data, and then click those 2 dustbins next to geegeez and www.geegeez, and that will help. You'll have to log in again afterwards. The second thing I want to show you is referenced on this FAQ page, and it's flushing your DNS. Not like a toilet particularly. Well, I suppose it is really, in a way. You've got some unwanted waste and you want to get rid of it. So let's go to flush DNS. Now I found a page here with some useful information. It's got information for both Windows and Mac devices, and I'll put a link to that under this video. I'm going to I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm going to go to start, and then I'm going to type command prompt. I want command prompt, and I'm going to click this run as administrator button here, and then it's going to ask me to confirm that, which I say yes. And then I'm just going to work through these statement options here. I'm actually going to do number 4 first, which is ipconfig. They all start ipconfig space /, and then this one is flushdns, and you can see it says here Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now this is the thing that stores, basically the geegeez website, all websites are stored on another computer somewhere, and this DNS resolver tells your browser where to go, where this other machine is that hosts the website that you want to view. Now we've changed the DNS location for geegeez a couple of times this week, and as a consequence of that, it's a reasonable, in fact an above reasonable chance that if you're having a problem, it's because your computer is trying to go to location A to get the website files, and we now need your computer to go to location B to get the website files. So that's essentially it, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to refresh the computer and the browser's memory so that it goes to location B rather than location A. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so we've done the first one there. I'm now going to go to ipconfig space /release, which is number 2 on here. Also note actually that there's a typo there. You want command prompt, not commend prompt, so command prompt here. Anyway, I'm going to press enter here, and it's got a whole bunch of stuff here, but that's basically done what it needed to do. And then I'm going to go to number 3, which is ipconfig /renew. I'll probably just type all of this into the box underneath this video, ipconfig space /renew. Okay, and that has now, if I just make this bigger so you can see, so here is the comment that I just typed, and it's just said media disconnected, this has been renewed, disconnected, this has been renewed. And then what I now need to do is restart my machine. I'm actually, because it's in this order on here, I'm going to do ipconfig /flushdns again, and now I know that's definitely happened. And now, so I can close this. You can just type exit, or you can use the X up here if you prefer. Right, the final command on here is restart the computer, so I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back to this video once I've done it. So I'll speak to you in a second. Back. Okay, so I restarted my computer, and here I am back on the home page, and you can see that it takes a few seconds to pull the data, but it's pretty fast. Now I've cleared all those components that were causing an issue before. So I very much hope this will solve the problems for you as well. As I say, I'll put the notes underneath this video on YouTube, and I'll link to it on the FAQ page as well. Really sorry for the problems this week. It's been an unmitigated disaster, a nightmare. Really, kind of, I suppose it could have happened in Cheltenham week, that would have been worse, but really that's probably the only thing that could have been worse than happening in Royal Ascot week. So I'm acutely aware of how annoying and frustrating it will have been. Rest assured it has been for me as well. I've not had a great week. Anyway, hopefully the suggested remedies in this short video will help you. Please do get in touch if they don't, and we'll try something else, but I think this should resolve things for most of you still having problems accessing geegeez. Thanks again for your tolerance and forbearance, and best of luck with trying these changes. Bye for now.